Okay, this is Kenny Draper with Build Brothers doing a roof video inspection, 290 Elvado Way. I always start out at the eaves. The eaves are fascia boards, the rafter tails, and starter boards. In this case, it's plywood. And you can see, going around looking at these eaves, I go around and detect to see if there's any wood damage that I can see on the eaves. The eaves don't look very bad at all. You do see that, that when they did this last overlay for the solar system, which I'll show you in a minute, that the nails came through the plywood sheathing here, which is it's pretty normal. You gotta have the right roofing nails. So there is a solar system on this roof. It's an architectural asphalt shingle. There's 22 panels in total, and it looks like they did an overlay where they installed the solar system. There's a drip edge here. Majority of the rest of the house does not have drip edge, as you can see right here. So it looks like they just did an overlay. They possibly could have done a tear off and a new roof here, but it looks like an overlay. Okay, we got 10 panels right here on this side, and then we have 12 on this side. And you can see these tiles, I mean, shingles are relatively new, at least compared to the rest of the roof, but still there's some wear to them. You see that it's different style ridge cap on there, and then the rest of this house, and you can see they even pulled up a little bit of shingles here. The rest of the roof though is in pretty rough condition. Definitely a lot of granule loss. There's a little patio front porch section with some torch down material right there, and that also is very worn. Show you the nailing pattern. All right, and see how those shingles are super loose with that overlay. Okay, nailing pattern. Ooh, looks like they a little strong. Nails going through the shingle there. Too much power on the nail gun. Okay, yeah, the rest of the roof is in the same condition. You can see we're down to the fiberglass. A ridge cap's one of the first things to go. Walking around this roof, I've noticed a couple of soft spots. Feels like some of the wood below could be rotten. It needs to be replaced. But yeah, you can see again more granule loss. Definitely got the money's worth out of this roof. Okay, so what we're gonna quote is an entire re-roof. Remove the solar system, reinstall the solar system. I'll also quote a partial roof where we do the rest of the roof that was not done. Still going to want to do a re-roof, not an overlay, just to make sure we inspect all the wood underneath. There's a couple of whirlybird vents up here that are not spinning. Well, that one just started to spin. That one's not spinning. We end up replacing those with low profile O'Hagan vents, just like your neighbor's house over there. These vents will end up squeaking, rusting, and letting water in. Some of the racking and the spacing on this overlay, I'm not too happy with. As you can see, if you look at the line, down the line, they're totally off. But that's okay. It's a smart thing to do for the solar system, at least. Okay, we're gonna be quoting a Owens Corning 50-year architectural shingle roof. That's the end of the inspection. Thank you.